Okay, my dear sons and daughters, a continuation of what we said before. We are still in Act 1, and we are going to cover with you from page 17 to page 20. I wrote for you the most important questions included in these 4 pages. They are on the screen. If I have to grab for money, yes, underline grab. Grab equal search. If I have to search for money all day long at least, at evening I want it beautiful. You will find this comment in page 17. If I have to grab for money all day long, yes, at least at evening, I want it be beautiful. Yes, these words were said by Chris Keller to Joe Keller, his father. They were talking about Anne's matter and how could the father help the son to get married to Anne, because Chris wanted his father to help him in convincing mother that Larry was dead long time ago. In that case, he could marry Anne, but the father refused to interfere because marrying Anne means the end of Kate Keller. The son threatened his father to leave the house, to leave the business, and go somewhere else to live. And the father was shocked because he spent most of his life building this business. He spent more than 40 years building this business, and now Chris wanted to leave the business and go somewhere else to live and earn his keep. Chris wanted to tell his father that he wasn't interested in money. He considers money a means to an end, not an end in itself. Chris wanted his father to understand that he wanted to have a family, he wanted to have kids, he wanted to have something there to give his life to. Yes. Yes, you can see the comment before you. You can count the lines with me. Line one, 2, 3, 4. Yes, if I have to grab for money all day long at least, at evening, I want it beautiful. I want a family. I want some kids. I want to build something and give myself to. And Anne is in the middle of that. And Anne is in the middle of that. Okay, let's move to the next page. I want to pay your attention to something. Yes, that page is page 19. You will find the comment said by Kate Keller, no more roses, so funny. Everything desires to happen at the same time. This month is his birthday, his tree blows down, and he comes. Everything that happened seems to be coming back. I was just down the cellar. And what do I stumble over? Underline stumble over. His baseball glove. I haven't seen it in a century. Yes. These words were said by Kate Keller to Chris. And she was talking about her son Larry. And in Kate's standpoint, many things happened at the same time, and they have a relationship with her son Larry. Number one, we can count. Number one, this month is his birthday. Number two, his tree blows down. Number three, and he comes to us. Number four, she stumbled over Larry's baseball glove. which she hasn't seen for years. So she explained that all these things happened and they have just one meaning, that Larry was still alive and one day he would come back. He would come back. Yes, let's move to the next page. We have a question included in this page. What was Kate's dream about Larry? What was Kate's dream about Larry? Yes. In the last four lines in page 18, you will find the answer. You will find the answer. Yes. Kate dreamed that Larry was flying the plane very low in training. He was so real. He was so real. And she could reach out and touch him. She could reach out and touch him. Suddenly he started to fall and crying to me, Mom, Mom. I could hear him like he was in the room. It was his voice. It was his real voice. Then she was woken up by the roars of the wind, which blew Larry's tree down. So that was Kate's dream about Larry, because she was always dreaming about him, because he was always in her mind. Yes, thank you. The same page, page 21. Yes, you will find the comment in the last two lines. And the boy Chris was addressing his mother, Kate Keller. He wanted to tell her directly that Larry was dead a long time ago, because he did not want to hurt his mom's feelings. The comment says, we never talk up our lives again. We are like at a railroad station waiting for a train that never comes in. That never comes in. We never talk our lives again. We are like a railroad station waiting for a train that never comes in. This was said by Chris to his mother, Kate. He wanted indirectly to tell his mother that they were waiting for a train, and the train was Larry that never comes in. He wanted to make her understand that Larry was dead long time ago, without hurting his mother's feelings. But Kate didn't want any argument concerning Larry's matter, because she was completely sure that her son was alive somewhere in the world and one day he would come back. And she was the only person who had this belief, who had this belief. So, my dear little brothers and sisters, my dear sons and daughters, I covered with you 4 pages. They are very important. And I gave you 4 questions, and I helped you to find the answers of them. So, till we meet next time, I wish you the best of luck. Wait for the next episode, and that will be very soon. Goodbye.